Guys, you know how much I believe in self-care, and I'm going to teach you how to make a really fun, easy, simple mask at home mask. I'm 53 years old. I believe in really taking care of yourself, taking care of your skin, and using all natural ingredients. So I'm really excited because this company called Coconut Country Living, they sent me these products to check out and try them, so I really appreciate it. Thank you for that. So the recipe today is going to focus on their cinnamon and their nutmeg. It is a cinnamon mask. It's going to be 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So I've got the lemon juice here, I've got some honey, and I'm gonna mix it all together, and I'm gonna just show you. So you should always do a patch test first because the cinnamon is gonna feel kind of hot on your face. It's gonna feel a little bit burny. Don't be a baby, let it go, it's okay, but patch test it first just to make sure that you don't have any kind of reaction. You could have a reaction to cinnamon even if you eat it and you don't have any problems with it, but it's a burny feeling, but that helps to really like pull all of the circulation to the top of your skin, and it really brings that glow out. So I recommend doing this at night and then putting on a really good moisturizer, your favorite moisturizer after you're done, and then go to sleep, because then you'll give your face some really nice sleep time and some good time to recover, and you're gonna wake up all bright and glowy in the morning. Again, use only high quality ingredients, especially when you're ingesting them and putting them on your skin, because your skin is your largest excretory body organ in your body. And so whatever you put on your skin, you are actually ingesting. It's actually going into your body. So let's get rid of those chemicals, guys, and start doing some more natural stuff. And oh my God, your skin is gonna thank me.